Hi, this is Lara from Forex Info US with your free US dollar index Elliott Wave analysis on the 5th of February. I provide a subscription service for analysis of the euro dollar and the pound dollar, and I do this from a pure Elliott Wave perspective. I use Elliott Wave because it can be at times remarkably accurate and it is highly predictive. Currently, I have a $1 trial for the first week on all my packages, so go to Forex Info, find the big fat green subscribe button and check it out. I'm going to start this analysis with a reminder of the big picture going back to 1985. We had a 5-wave impulse down followed by an expanded flat correction. A flat correction has a 3-wave structure for A, a 3-wave structure for B, followed by a 5-wave impulsive structure for C. So we're going to see 5 waves up. We're going to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and when it's all done and dusted, it should take the dollar comfortably above this point here, about 122, comfortably above that. So now I'm going to take you to a chart just looking at the last 3 months, where this maroon 2 down here, it should be maroon not brown, is analogous to this 2 here. So we had that wave 2 down, ABC down to complete 2, and now we have a minor or blue 1 up, complete, 2 down, complete, and we're working on a 3rd wave up. Within that, our first leg, wave 1 pink, is over. Wave 2 pink turned out to be a shorter and shallower correction than expected. I figured it was going to get down to about here, 78.07. It was 0.62 short of that. It turned out to be just 78.69. There's a lot of upwards pressure on the dollar. Thereafter, as I said, we were going to have significant dollar rises as we're in a 3rd wave of a 3rd wave. We're going to have some strong, comfortable dollar rises in days to come. So now taking you to an hourly chart where this pink 2 is analogous with this pink 2. We saw our first leg up ending here at 1, first leg down ending here at 2. We're on a 3rd wave up. And this wave behaviour with these strong upward movements fits exactly expected behaviour for a 3rd wave. Wave behaviour is very important, and this is exactly what we should be seeing for a 3rd wave. Within this, we may have 1, 2 over, and we're working on 3 of 3. This may not be ended here, may have a little bit longer to go. Now my pick for the end of this 3rd wave pink will be about 84.23 to maybe even up to 87.41, which will give it either 1.618 or 2.618, the length of wave 1 pink. Taking you back to the daily, my pick for the end of the whole structure for wave 3 blue is about 83.5 to 87.76, and I'm favouring the upper end of that target because this seems to be unfolding in an extension so far. So taking you back to the hourly, when this 3rd wave pink is over, we'll have a 4th wave down, possibly evolving in a triangle, as the guideline is that if the 2nd wave was a zigzag, the 4th wave could be a triangle. May not necessarily be a deep correction, but triangles tend to take up time, so it may take a few days for that to happen. We'll have choppy sideways movement overall tending down for a triangle. Thereafter it'll turn up again for the end of our wave 3 blue, and those targets again up there, 83.5 to 87.76, somewhere in that area. As we get closer, I'll try and narrow those targets down a little. As the wave structure unfolds, it gets a little easier to use the math to figure it out. I hope this is useful in your trading. You can expect some further strong dollar rises in coming days. That's all from me today with your US dollar index. Again, if you want analysis from an Elliott Wave perspective of the pound dollar and the euro dollar, check it out. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope, as always, all your trades are profitable.